For our Puppet of the Day series, we have been looking at this 6-puppet series called the Circus series that was sold at restoration hardware stores in the mid-2000s. And you've seen all these cute little characters, the giraffe, the swan, the seal, the bear, and we showed you yesterday the Lion King, who is enjoying the circus from his royal box. Now, with all these great puppets, can we guess who might be the Puppet of the Day? That would be, of course, the Queen, the Elephant Queen. Oh, look at her. I really love the way her trunk moves around so nicely. She's got the little crown accessories and her little tutu, and she rounds out this set nicely. Please keep watching to see more puppets.